24 signs he's hiding his feelings for you. What are the signs he is hiding his feelings for you? How to tell if a man is attracted to you but hiding it. Is he hiding his feelings, or is he just not interested? How to know he's hiding his feelings for you. This video for you. Let's start. Number 1. He remembers all your stories by heart. You may not remember telling him about your favorite food, but he remembers. Your speech may make no sense to him, but he still listens to you and allows you to speak without interruption. Not only that, he keeps everything you said. He has developed a habit of listening to the in-depth details of your conversations. He remembers all the little things you talked about so far. Most of the time you don't remember what he said, but he does. Do not believe him if he tells you that he remembers all this because he has a good memory. Men usually do not have a good memory when it comes to remembering their girlfriend or wife's choices. It only happens when they make you feel honest. Number 2. He cares about your opinion of him. Even when the boy struggles to hide his feelings, he tries to know your opinion of him before deciding something for himself. Your opinion is important to him. Therefore, he always tries to please you. A simple way to check this out is to go shopping with him. If he's your secret fan, he will definitely buy the clothes you like. Mention that you do not like what he chooses to wear. He will immediately reject the dress because he does not want it to look ugly to your eyes. Number 3. He does not flirt with any other woman. Of course, this guy will not have a girlfriend. Most importantly, he explains to you that all the women in his life are just friends. Also, when you ask him about his relationship or marriage plans, he will either reject the idea outright or withdraw from the discussion. Number 4. He likes gift you. This person will look for reasons to gift you something. Yes, men tend to buy gifts for women they value. If this guy really likes you, even if he's your favorite flower, he will always bring you something. It may be a small thing, but it will definitely mean something. Number 5. Before we begin, if you are new here, subscribe for more social psychology videos. Don't miss anything in future video. And comment down below I subscribed so we can welcome you. Number 5. He often leaves conversations midway. Often you see him shortening his sentence or getting lost in the middle of conversations. You feel like he was about to say something, but suddenly stopped. Maybe it's because he realized this was not appropriate, or he may have thought he was saying too much. He's not ready to put words into his feelings, at least not yet, because it will make him uncomfortable with you. Number 6. Friends are giving you hints. Do your friends often isolate you too? Well, the reason for this is that they see the spark between the two of you and think you should spend time alone. Do your friends often make fun of you both? Well, these are nothing but subtle hints of the sexual tension they see between the two of you. Who knows if they will help their friend to win you over because they even know how he fights with his feelings for you. Number 7. He forgives and forgets. He will not tell you directly, but he will easily forgive you for your mistakes. Even if it hurts him, he will forget all your mistakes. He does not want your beautiful little heart to carry the burden of guilt. Why would anyone let that go so easily? That's because he loves you and cannot express his feelings directly. Maybe he's not in a position to confess, but he's as gentle as he can be. Number 8. He knows essential details about you. One sign of hidden attraction is that he knows small but important information about you. Aside from general information about you, his only duty is to get to know people who suppress his feelings. You will be amazed to know that he is your favorite place, restaurant, football team, and he likes it. He also remembers what you say to him by chance. For example, during the conversation you mentioned your sister's birthday a week ago, and on that day, he will show you a gift for her. You do not expect him to remember, but he does and even brings a gift. He may suppress his feelings, but he focuses on you. Number 9. His make time for you. The psychology of telling someone if you like them is to observe how they create time for your needs. He suppresses feelings for someone, but they come forward when the time is right. People with hidden feelings believe that his presence makes you happy and that you need to talk more about his motives. He will be the first to appear at your event, assist you, and ensure that everything goes smoothly as you wish. Number 10. He tries to show emotions. Another sign that someone is suppressing their emotions is the use of mixed feelings or emotions. They may be sweet and romantic today, it may be cold tomorrow, or they may be neutral next time. These are signs that someone is hiding their feelings. When you find reading a challenge, it's a gift for someone you love. Number 11. His often smiles when you are around. Although some people like to hide their feelings, when he sees you, he is usually happy and excited, and it is a sign that someone is hiding about you. This is a major sign that he is joking around you and suppressing his feelings. He appreciates the moment he is with you and hopes to get more out of it. He does not talk about it because he is afraid that such opportunities will disappear. Therefore, he likes to hide the feelings that allow them to leave. Number 12. His don't say much. One of the signs that someone is hiding their feelings for you is that they do not show emotion and prefer to be quiet around you. He wants to listen to you and watch you do your thing. When he finally speaks, it is to ensure that you do well. Number 13. His always asking you questions about. You want him to know you, and maybe it's not that weird, but as you know, he won't do this anyone else, and he seems to be more interested in learning more about you than talking about his accomplishments or his things. It is one thing if he does this only once and is the least interested in your answers, but this person pays attention to every word. He wants to know your family details and the people you associate with, so he asks you a lot of deep questions. Number 14. He compliments you. Does he or she appreciate your looks, style of dress, taste in music, etc.? Do compliments mean anything? Attitude plays a big role in whether a person likes you or not in a relationship, so pay close attention to how the person communicates with you. Just because someone compliments you does not mean that we should not assume that he likes you in a loving way. However, just because someone does not praise you does not mean that he is not in you or that he does not like you. Some people do not know how to praise or do not feel comfortable doing so. However, if you see that he is praising you too much, it may be a sign that a person is interested in you because he or she wants to make you feel good. This person wants you to like them and give him or her the validity he or she desires. The person in question may be investing in you, and you want to make him or her feel safe and comfortable around you. Number 15. He connects and chats with you on social media. Maybe he's not been very interested in social media before, or maybe but when he finds out which social media channel you use most often, he will create an account for it or reach out to you with what he has most recently, your most active and one of the fascinating social media connections. As a rule, he starts more and more relationships, and the more he continues the conversation, the more likely he is to be interested. Number 16. He tries to impress you. A sign that he is hiding their feelings from you is when you see that he is doing their best in front of you. Since he uses hidden emotional psychology, his next option is to get your attention by doing more striking activities. Number 17. He always busy. Another sign that someone is hiding their feelings from you is when the person is usually busy. Being busy is a way that people with hidden feelings use to distract themselves from thinking about you. When they are engaged in other activities, they do not have time to think about their feelings about you. Number 18. He body language will change around you. Do you often see that they are inclined towards you when they talk to you? Does he like gestures, open, relaxed, and welcoming? You may have heard before that the body does not lie. You can tell a lot by looking at body language, but you can only learn the true truth about his motives and his personality by looking at his behavior towards you and the other people around him. So he shows in his body language whether likes you or not. Number 19. Pay attention to his eye contact and nonverbal communication. Do you see that he looks at you often? Is he happier, or is he always smiling and talking to you more than usual? The next time you are with the person, note how often he looks at you. Number 20. His may be always curious about you. Do you see him asking questions about you and your life? Do you find that he wants to know more about you and why you are who you are? Those who try to get to know others can hide their feelings behind their burning curiosity. Maybe it's because he can communicate in your language. He cares about you like his family. Asking yourself a lot of questions basically means encouraging you to talk about yourself and to be open about your life. Number 21. His may act unusual around you. Has he ever stumbled upon his words, become agitated or restless, uttered strange jokes, or suddenly and unexpectedly withdrawn? These are the opposite sign that someone really likes you. Dating reveals that people around you react differently than he does to other people. You can see his energy levels rise when he is around you. Number 22. They may show off in front of you. Does he try to stand out among the crowd when you are together? If another way to tell if someone secretly likes you, he or she will always appear as a shadow in front of you. This can be reduced to two things: high ego or their feelings towards you. To find out what it is, be aware of how this person communicates to you. Do you feel that he or she is looking at you for a positive response and is trying to impress you? Number 23. His jealousy. We all get jealous at the same time in our relationship. Jealousy is a sign that someone is hiding their feelings from you. Then you may wonder why someone who has not talked about his intentions would be jealous of seeing you around other men. It's that simple. They want you to like the person they are flirting with, but are afraid to have a relationship with you. Number 24. He are afraid. One hidden emotional psychology is the fear of rejection. Sometimes people cover up their feelings because they are afraid that you will not accept their proposal if they talk openly about their feelings. It's worse when they are not sure if you like them or not.